I decided to remodel my home because earlier in the pandemic, like so many of us, we closed the office, and so we were all working from home. I didn't have a home office, and so started looking around, got the idea that, I think I could enclose the back porch. I didn't really use it that much, so it was, in a way, this potential, space waiting to be used by me in a way that's meaningful. Early on when I was talking to Rob, I said I want it to look like it's always been a part of the house. So that meant opening it up to the bedroom, taking out windows, opening it up to the living room, doing all the molding like the rest of the house. One of my favorite features about the office is the built-in desk. It's not just a desk, but has drawers and storage and shelving and lighting. We let the bookcase follow the shape of the ceilings, not just a flat ceiling, and that gave a great sense of volume to that space. And in fact, with the pocket doors now that open from the master bedroom into the office, I feel like I have this private master suite. Opening up different spaces gave me some ideas about further architectural things that we could do. For instance, in the master bedroom, putting in a paneled wall behind the bed would be a nice addition to the room. And I was right. It looks terrific. It was a great design choice and worth every bit of what it cost to do it. As this project was unfolding, another one was in the dining area, which opens directly into the living room, but has a lower ceiling, and got this idea to have a panel built in the ceiling to fully embrace the dining table, and then painted it a dark gray to match one of the other walls. But again, I think that dark gray brings a certain warmth and so wraps around the diners at the table. And then with the proper lighting on the wall and the light fixture that I have, it all works.